Late rent again? If you're a Seattle landlord, you know the stress of waiting for that payment to hit your account. But don't worry, you've got options. Let's break down exactly what you can do when your tenant doesn't pay, legally and efficiently. In Seattle, rent is considered late the day after it's due. But here's the kicker. Seattle law requires a 5-day grace period, which means that you can't charge late fees until after day 5. And those late fees are capped at just $10 a month. No extra processing fees, no surprise charges, just $10 period. So, what's the first step? Well, you're gonna send a late rent notice. This is your official, hey, where's the rent message, and it's legally required before taking further action. Next, talk to your tenant. A simple conversation can clear up a lot of miscommunication, and if they've been a great renter, it might be worth working out a short-term solution. Now, if they're still ignoring you, it's time for a pay or vacate notice. This gives them 14 days to pay before you can take legal action. If the tenant still won't pay, eviction might be your next step. But Seattle has strict laws, so make sure you're following the right process. This is where having a property management team really helps. The key? Act fast, but stay professional. Late rent is frustrating, but handling it the right way protects your property and your peace of mind. Need more details on handling late rent in Seattle? Check out our full guide at the link below. And don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more expert landlord tips. For more pro tips and updates on Seattle rental laws, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.